How to add a Namecheap domain to Vercel in Vercel dashboard. Go to your project, settings, domains, add, type your domain, example.com or www.example.com, add, copy, Vercel DNS records. Vercel shows you a name for www, cname, verceldns.com, and a record for root 76.11.6.21.21. Log in to Namecheap domain list, manage, advanced DNS, change name servers, recommended, easiest. Switch to Namecheap default or basic DNS, not premium DNS. Or better, use Vercel's free name servers, ns1.verceldns.com. Change in name servers tab, custom DNS, paste the two, save, takes 130 min. If keeping Namecheap name servers, manual DNS, delete any existing A or C name for aft and www, add, type, A, host, erv, value, 76.26, 21.21, TTL, automatic, type, cname, host, www, value, cname.verceldns.com. Note the dot. TTL, automatic back in Vercel. Click verify, usually green in less than 5 minutes. Vercel auto adds, SSL, free, HTTPS.